The best Verizon iPhone options and deals. Whether you're upgrading or a new customer, there's something for everyone. Verizon has the full iPhone lineup, from the latest Pro models to budget-friendly options. There are promos running all year long. You can score up to $1,000 off with a trade-in or even get a free iPhone when adding a new line. BOGO deals and monthly bill credits can really lower your costs over time. These offers change quickly, especially around launches and holidays. New customers often snag the biggest discounts, but existing customers have great upgrade deals too. If you have a recent device to trade in, you're in for some solid loyalty promos. Most Verizon iPhone deals require an unlimited plan, like Unlimited Plus or Ultimate. Higher tier plans usually offer the best credits, so keep that in mind. Trading in your old iPhone can dramatically cut the price with monthly credits and bonus promotions.